Anything that happens in life can happen in a show. You can make 'em laugh, you can make 'em cry. Anything, anything can go. The clown with his pants falling down, or the dance that's a dream of romance, or the scene where the villain is mean, that's entertainment.
The lights on the lady in tights,
or the bride with the guy on the side,
or the ball where she gives him her all, that's entertainment.
the plot can be hot, simply teeming with sex.
a gay divorcee who is after her ex.
It could be Oedipus Rex,
Where a chap kills his father and causes a lot of bother.
The clerk who is thrown out of work,
By the boss who is thrown for a loss.
by the skirt, who is doing him dirt.
The world is a stage, the stage is a world of entertainment. That's entertainment. That's entertainment. The doubt while the jury is out, or the thrill when they're reading the will, or the chase for the man with the face. That's entertainment.
the dame who is known as the flame,
Of the king of an underworld ring.
He's an ape who won't let her escape.
That's entertainment. It might be a fight like you see on the screen, a swain getting slain for the love of a queen. Some great Shakespearean scene where a ghost and a prince meet and everyone ends in mincemeat. The gang may be waving the flag that began with a mystical hand. Hip hooray! The American way. The world is a stage is a world of entertainment.